Canyoning Interlaken. When you just want to get into the gear, try a new activity and get a taste of canyoning in a nearby canyon, this is the right activity for you. You'll experience everything canyoning has to offer in a short amount of time. It's low commitment, easy to complete, and you'll see places others miss. This trip is available from April to October and usually runs multiple times a day. Total experience, including arrival, briefing, getting your equipment, changing, driving, hiking, doing the activity, and getting back into your everyday clothes, takes approximately 3 hours. All you need for this adventure is to be over 12 years old, weight under 125 kilograms, have a basic level of fitness, show up on time at the outdoor base in Wilderswil, and bring swimwear and a towel. And we will take care of the rest. The canyoning obstacles heavily depend on the water levels and the group. You can expect to rappel down cliffs, jump from waterfalls, swing across waterfalls, slide through streams, and most importantly, hike through a beautiful canyon with an adventurous group and guides who will make sure you have a great time. Once you've completed the canyoning trip, you'll get a free drink and a photo. Additionally, you'll have the option to order a video filmed by your guide and edited by our editing team. Hey, see you in the canyon.